Hello everyone, we have recently expanded our offering to include gComm, the first ever gaming commerce platform that lets players buy the products they see advertised inside games without ever leaving the game. Let me show you how it works. Now, let's see how it works in the code. First, you need to initialize the SDK with the sayalo-config.use gComm flag set to true and make sure your app ID is correct. Now I'll go to the README file at GitLab and go to the gComm part. Here you can see how to use gComm and his methods. I'll copy the methods. To show the gComm pop-up, invoke the sayaloagent.startGCommFlow method. In case you want the game to be paused when the gComm pop-up is on, you need to pause and resume functions or use the current functions you have and invoke them on gComm UI events. Note that gComm events are static, so if you register a non-static callback, you will also need to unregister it before you destroy its object instance. Let me show you how to use it. Now I am adding the function try_show gComm pop-up to my restart button. In addition, to test gComm without activating VPN, toggle the context menu item, Sayalo, Test Environment, gComm. If you're not in the US, you must use VPN in a US location to test gComm on the device. Thanks for watching the video.